Today in Nigeria, insecurity has become a household name, a national dilemma and calamity that have befallen all as sundry. To the extent of most recent, the Commercial Farmers Association have resolved to shut down operation, and that will lead further to scarcity of food supply, and that means more pains and wars for Nigeria. Due to citing insecurity, unabating level of insecurity, rocking the entire country, farmers can't go to farm without being killed or, of course, kidnapped for ransom. Where is Nigeria heading to?
About insecurity, my brother. Let me tell you, um, Nigeria is beyond repair. Nigeria is beyond repair. I don't say anybody to repair Nigeria or to put in Nigeria in order. I mean, to reverse Nigeria the way it is. Those days, I could remember 80, early 80s. I could remember those days. Yes, I know that artist was okay. We are living fine. We have our currency is more, powerful. Powerful by then. And very useful. I remember when I hold 20 naira note, I would be afraid. I remember those days. I hold 20 naira note, I would be afraid. Whether my seniors will not see my uncle or this will not see on my hand or my pocket. You understand? Let me tell you, Nigeria, I have told you that Nigeria is not one. Who are you fighting? Are you fighting security for who and who? Who are those that are fighting for security? Is it Nigeria that is what do you call it? Illegal. Because the country is an illegal. Are you fighting? You are fighting insecurity. You are fighting the government. Then that is the power there. They are not about it. They are not about insecurity. As far as Nigeria is concerned. I'm talking about those powerful men we have in the north. You fight insecurity. You fight these Fulani herdsmen. You fight them. They will be against you. That is why the Nigeria Army can protect Fulani that is killing innocent soul every day by day. Village to village. In the name of saying they want to control what belongs to, they want to control your land. They want to collect your land and be controlling you, and you become a slave to them. You are fighting security. You are fighting Nigeria government because they know about insecurity. They know about it. The bandits and the kidnappers and the so-called Fulani herdsmen. Nigeria government know about it. They know it. Our government, they are the insecurity. They are the kidnappers we are talking about. Those people in Abuja, they are the kidnappers.
They once told us that they know those sponsors of Boko Haram and bandits. Why not go after them to stop this incessant insecurity?
Why can they go there to after them? Who are those? Who are those who will go after them? You hear Jirika come out. You hear Jirika come under Jonathan regime. But to clear them, they come out against Jirika. Because Jirika is an Igbo man. It's a commander. It's a controller of the armies. It's a commander. They come after against Jirika. They pull politics against Jirika. Because as an Igbo man, they say want to revenge. 1967 Biafra war. That is Jirika want to revenge. Want to revenge. Want to kill their people. Finish. What are we talking? Who is fooling who? How long are we continuing to be fooling ourselves? How long can we stop with this sentimentals? Hatred and tribalism. How long all those things will stop? All those mess will stop? Then the play politics are removing Jirika.
Exactly. Most of the northern elders, including the then former head of president of Nigeria, Buhari, said the killing of Boko Haram is the killing of the north.
The north. Because of the Jirika want to revenge. Want to clear their people. Jirika want to clear their people, clear the northern and the northern youth and women. and men that in Hendrika want to clear them because of Biafra war. That they want to clear them. The poor policies are removing Hendrika. Would you hope, end of the day, including the present government now. Because he is the founder, he's almost the founder. The present government now that we are talking about, Chetima and Tinubu, including them. That one against Hendrika. Then gang up and play politics and removing Hendrika. And bring their own brother. End of the day, what is still fishing? What is fishing is still fishing. What is happening is still happening in the north.
So the north has no right to complain.
They don't have right to complain. They have no right. Because the Hendrika has gone far. It has gone far. You know, as long as they allow Hendrika to do his work, the Hendrika could have, we could have known. Nigeria could have known, yes, that Kaki not be leather. They could have understand that Kaki is not leather. It's not leather. They remove it because of this Igbo man. Because of the hatred they have on Easterners. Because of the hatred they have on Igbo man, a woman. Then gang up and remove him. They bring a brother. End of the day, what is happening now? He coming to be worse. Go Benue now. People are crying day by day. Killing. Fulani herdsmen. You cannot be able to go farm. The Benue cannot be able to go. Even some are not living at their own, their whole residential district. Go to Enugu to see what the Fulani they are doing in Enugu. You got to have that chance. They have digged them that chance earlier. To occupy everywhere in Nigeria, to suppress you, to collect what belongs to you, and to control you, to ask you to stay here and that you will stay. That's the policies we see in Nigeria. I tell you, I told you that Nigeria is it's not one. I haven't seen one Nigeria. Nigeria cannot walk any longer. Nigeria can never walk. Bring heaven and earth and put there. The same thing will happen. Because those people are still there. They will tell you that they're not of the country. The Fulanis. Well, in fact, left and 5 minutes, sweat whatever you like to sweat. However you like to sweat, sweat. When sweat finish, you will still go back for them. What are we talking? Is it a country? Is it is it what they call country? Is it a country? Is Nigeria a country? So, for example, I will come out and job of that. This is my country. And I will proud of that. I will come out and be proud that this is my country. You are fighting, I told you, you are fighting Bukhara herdsmen and bandits. You are fighting them there over there. You are fighting the so-called leaders. They know about it. They know about it, the herdsmen and the district. They know about it. That's what the insurgency can never stop in Nigeria. The killing can never stop. Day by day. The killing can never have taken over all over the north. No, they are putting themselves to come to east. But God will resist them. God will suffer them. To tamper that eastern region, God will suffer them. They will regret. Look at the killing. Here they here. Plateau cannot drink water and drop cup today because of Fulani. One Nigeria. Are you telling me one Nigeria? That Nigeria will still going to be better. Who's going to make it better? We are coming since years ago that Nigeria will come to will come to say Nigeria will be better. This Nigeria coming to be worse. It's coming to be worse. Worse day by day. I don't see any government that will stop that insurgency in the some part of this country. I never see. Because they say nothing them.
So how do we end this insecurity once and for all?
I told you, you can never end insecurity. You can end it. As long as we remain as one Nigeria, talking about shouting one Nigeria. You can't one Nigeria, we are one. This will be okay. How long things will be okay? When? To where? Where things will be okay in Nigeria? Where common man cannot be able to eat 2 square meal? Everything is very costly because they're not feeling it. They are not feeling it. They don't know what masses are passing through. They don't know. They don't know what the masses, ordinary common man, are passing through. Just because what they are eating is free. Everything for them over there is free. Working allowance is there for them. House allowance is everything is allowance. Everything allowance is there for them. So they don't care what the common man are passing through. As far as this country is concerned, let me tell you, Nigeria will never be. I always tell you people. I always say it. Forget all those propaganda. Those who will come out and make noise. They will say the truth and cover it. Turn red to black. Turn black to blue. Who know them? But whatever they saw, they will surely repeat. Let's go to National Sovereign National Conference. We tell that, my brother, we'll still continue day by day. We'll still continue complaining day by day. We'll still continue be crying day by day as far as this country is concerned. So-called devilish Nigeria. It's a devilish country.